This video is about how to create a Facebook page, how to grow a Facebook page, and how to monetize a Facebook page. Listen up, watch to the end. I know many people has been asking me, please explain how to create Facebook page. I can't create Facebook page, I can't grow my Facebook page, and how to monetize the Facebook page. So many DMs and so many comments. I'm now to address this issue. So listen, watch till the end. To create a Facebook page is very easy. It's not something difficult to create. All you need to do first is to have a personal account. What I mean by personal account is just normal account as this. Now, this is my personal account. Yes, this is a personal account. Can you see? Now, to create a Facebook page where you get Facebook likes, where you get Facebook followers. Yes, no, Facebook account is Facebook friends. So it's different. Facebook account is Facebook friends. Why Facebook page is Facebook where you get likes and you get followers. That's when you get 1 million followers, 10 million followers, unlimited. But Facebook account, I think the maximum friends you can have is 5,000 friends. Yes, 5,000 friends. Now, to create a Facebook page, all you need to do is first you click on the menu part. Here is the menu part. Then after the menu part, you click, you will see some options here: pages, feeds, friends, groups, market space, videos on watch, and so on. Just have to click this flag, Facebook flag page. Just click it, like the pages button. Just click it. Once you clicked the Facebook page button, you will see this place like create liked pages invitation. These are my pages, don't mind these ones. You will get to see your pages you have created here when you've created pages already. Sure, you understand? So, but if you have not created any page, you won't see anything here. All you see is create like pages invitation. So it's very easy. Just click create. And when you click create, you get started. The page name you want to be using, you click the page name you want to be using. Maybe you want to use iChat collection, Madam Bright's collection, or Madam Bright, or Brother Wasil Foundation, or just write any name you want to use, and that is the name you'll be using. And I don't think you can change the name anytime soon, because you have to think the name you want to use carefully before you can put it in. I think it's after, I'm not sure, but I think it's after some months before you can change the name you picked first. So you understand? So when you put the name, you know what? You click next. When you click next, category, maybe you are a musician, maybe you are health beauty, maybe you are just pick any category. Maybe you sell something, just business woman. Just that now doesn't mean anything. Just add anything. Just add anything. When you click, when you type something on the search for categories, it will surely bring it out for you. You can just write business woman or business center. Let's assume it's business center. You click and you click create. Once you click create, you are done creating an account. So I don't want to click this because I'm not creating any account. Once you click create, you are done creating an account. Then you get to see your account under these pages you manage. Are you following? So let's assume you created Boise. See, you switch. This is talking about if you want to switch from your personal account to your page.